Hello friends, you are welcome to today's lesson, Introduction to English Language. When we talk about English language, when we are introducing it, we talk about parts of speech. Parts of speech. When we say parts of speech in English language, we majorly talk about 8 parts of speech. We say nouns, adverbs, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections. These are the 8 parts of speech that we have in English language. When we talk about nouns, here we mean names. Nouns, we talk about names of people, names of ideas, names of places, names of things. Here we talk about names. We talk about names of people, things, ideas, and others. When we come to pronouns, here we talk about substitutes. What substitutes a noun is what we talk about here. We say substitutes. When we come to adjectives here, we describe these nouns. We describe nouns, that is to say names of people, names of ideas, situations. This is describing. When it comes to conjunctions, this is when we shall be joining ideas. Here we talk about joining ideas. When we go to adverbs, we shall be talking about conditions. Shall be talking about how something is done. Here we majorly talk about manner. Manner meaning how, answering the question how, answering the question when, answering the question where, answering the question why. For example, so we say the words that give us questions of how something was done, when something was done, where something was done, we refer them to as adverbs. When it comes to verbs, we shall be talking about actions. Actions done by nouns. Prepositions, these are words that connect verbs with other words in a sentence. When it comes to interjections, this is where we shall talk about exclamations. Now, we say that when we talk about parts of speech, we definitely refer to say that parts of speech refer to the classification of words according to their role and function within the structure of the language. That's what we mean when we talk about parts of speech. Each word has got a role within a sentence or in a structure of a language. Now, in this part here, we talk about nouns now in detail. We say nouns. A noun, to define, we say a noun is a name of a person, place, idea, or thing. Any name. That is why in this second response, we say a noun is a name. As simple as that. When I say a name of a person, a name of a place, a name of anything, we say that is a noun. We have here several examples of nouns that have been given. We have an example, Tom. Tom is a name of a person. Tom is a name of a person. We have Rose. Rose is also a name of a person. We have Joel. Joel is also a name of a person. We have Cup, a name of a thing. Plate, still a name of a thing. House, name of a place. Road, name of a thing. It can be a place. Lake, name of a water body. For example, we have salon. Salon, name of a place. We have plane, still a name of a thing. Book, a name of a thing. Where we write, for example, we have school, a name of a place where learning and teaching takes place. We have whiteboard, like this one here. This one is whiteboard. So we say it is a noun because it names something. So we say computer. A computer is a noun. Oven, this one is read as oven. It is a noun. Animal is a noun. Pen is also a noun. Then we have here teacher is a noun. So we are saying that all names of people, places, animals, ideas, and other living and non-living things are examples of nouns, meaning any word that names a place, that names a person, that names an idea, that names an animal or anything, be it living or non-living, we call it a noun. In the next lesson, we shall look at kinds of nouns.